In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital product to Payhip. We'll walk through the entire process from your dashboard to publishing your product, so you can start selling your digital files quickly and confidently. First, log into your Payhip dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the top navigation bar and find the tab labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to your main products page where all your current and future products will live. On the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Add Product. Click that, and Payhip will ask you what type of product you want to create. Since we're focusing on digital items, choose the option for digital products. This is perfect for things like ebooks, templates, music, printables, or software files. Now you'll be taken into the product editor, where you'll set everything up. Start by uploading your actual product file. Click on Upload Product File. A file window will pop up from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your digital product is saved, select the file you want to sell, and then click Open at the bottom right of that window. Payhip will upload the file and attach it to this product listing. Next, add your product title. This should be clear and descriptive, so customers instantly know what they're getting. Right beside the title field, you'll see the price field. Enter the amount you want to charge for your digital product. You can always come back later and adjust this if needed. Now let's add visuals. Click on Upload a Product Image. Again, a file window will appear. Pick one or more images that best represent your product, then click Open. Good, eye-catching images can really help your product stand out. If your digital product includes media, you can also embed audio or video by clicking Embed Audio Video at the top right. This is helpful if you want to include a preview or a demo. Below that, you'll see the product description area. Here you can describe exactly what's included, who it's for, and any important details your customers should know. This field supports rich text, which means you can change text size, use bold or italics, underline key points, add bullet style lists, indent sections, or insert links to related resources. Take your time here to make your description clear and compelling. Before you publish, choose your product's visibility. You'll see three options: visible, invisible, and unlisted. Visible means anyone can find the product in your store. Invisible hides it completely from customers, which is useful if you're still working on it. Unlisted means it won't appear in your main storefront, but people with the direct link can still view and purchase it. Pick the option that fits how you plan to share your product. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Add Product. The page will reload, and you should see a confirmation message that your product has been added. From here, you'll have the option to click Show Me My Product page. Click that if you want to preview exactly how your digital product appears to customers, including the images, description, and price. This is a great moment to double check that everything looks professional and works the way you expect. And that's it. You've successfully added a digital product to Payhip and are ready to start selling.